Welcome to the Nicholson Nugget. I'm Monique. This episode is short, sharp, and practical. 8 minutes to the first actions checklist that really matters after an arrest. Stay with me. Picture this. You just got released from custody. Your phone buzzes, your head is spinning, and you have 100 little choices to make. 3 small decisions in the next few hours can change what happens in court and in any future civil case. So let's make those choices count. I'll give you a single, easy checklist for day 1, exact things to say, and the priorities for the first 72 hours. Section 1. Safety and health first. If you are hurt, get that medical care immediately. A hospital or urgent care visit does 2 things. It protects your health, and it creates a contemporaneous medical record. That's evidence. If you can, take photos of visible injuries right away, wide shot, close up, and include something for scale, a coin or a pen. Timestamp those photos on your phone and back them up to the cloud while you still have access. If you were treated in an emergency room, request the medical record as soon as you can. Note the date, the facility, and the name of any treating clinician. If you can't get the record yourself, write down the name and number of the facility and share it with your attorney as soon as possible. Importantly, if you're feeling unsafe around officers or others, de-escalate and prioritize leaving the scene to a safe place before documenting. Do not put yourself back into a risky situation to preserve evidence. That's the trade-off. Evidence matters, but your body and safety matter more. Section 2. Communication rules. Who you call, what you say, and what to avoid. First rule, silence is a tool. If police want to talk after release, you can say 3 things. Your name, that you want to remain silent, and that you want an attorney. Say it clearly. I would like to remain silent and speak with an attorney. That's all you need. If family or a friend asks what happened, be brief and practical. Give location and that you're safe. Then say you'll call them once you've spoken with counsel. Don't post details, videos, or emotional rants on social media. A post that feels like therapy in the moment can become evidence later. If a bystander or witness offers to help, get their name, phone number, and what they saw. Write it down immediately and date it. If someone recorded video, politely ask them to save it and not to post it, and get permission to share it with your lawyer. When you speak with officers, use short, neutral sentences. Avoid storytelling or speculation. Sample line for an officer. I don't consent to any searches and I would like an attorney. Say it once, clearly, then stop. Safety reminder. If someone pressures you to do or say more, step back and repeat that you need your lawyer. Section 3. Preserve evidence and make the early legal moves that matter. Immediately do these 5 things. 1. Back up your phone, texts, call logs, and videos. Use a cloud backup or email copies to a trusted contact. 2. Request the police report as soon as it's available. Call the non-emergency records line or submit an online request. Note the report number and the officer's name. 3. Collect witness info. Names, phone numbers, what they saw, and whether they filmed anything. 4. Write a dated account in your own words as soon as you can while memories are fresh. Include times, locations, and exact phrasing if possible. Date and timestamp this file. 5. Preserve receipts, rideshare records, and photos from that day. Anything that proves time and place. On bail and early legal moves, learn the basic bail outcome, but don't make critical decisions without counsel. If you're eligible for release on your own recognitions or through a bail hearing, your attorney will advise the best path. If you think you might have a civil claim, for example, excessive force or unlawful search, tell your lawyer right away so they can preserve evidence and file any time-sensitive requests. Timing matters. Records and witness memories fade, and some legal notices have tight windows. Key takeaways. Fast checklist you can repeat. 1. Check your health, get records, and photograph injuries. 2. Use silence strategically. Say you want an attorney and do not narrate the event. 3. preserve everything digital, and get witness contact information. 3 exact sentences to keep handy and use if someone calls, records you, or speaks to you on camera. I would like to remain silent and speak with an attorney. I do not consent to any searches. Please save your video and contact my lawyer before posting. Say all sentences once, clearly, and then stop talking. Quick safety note and legal reminder. This episode gives general guidance. For case-specific advice, contact a lawyer. If you're in immediate danger, call emergency services first. If you want downloadable sample scripts, a printable checklist, or the exact language I read here, follow us on social media and DM the law office of Mark Nicholson. We'll send templates and quick tips. If you need immediate legal help, reach out to the law office of Mark Nicholson directly. We can advise on next steps and preservation strategies. Follow, like, and send us your questions. Tell us what scenario you want turned into a script, and we'll make it bite-sized. Remember our message. We fight against a travesty of justice. Thanks for listening. And that's your Nicholson Nugget of the day.